Welcome to Wolfe, Canmore, 707 Railway Avenue in Canmore, Alberta. Today we're looking at the beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged engine, made it up to the 9-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the very luxurious SLT interior here, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, power locks. We do have the leather heated steering wheel as well, cruise control, forward collision warning, speak to talk, dash audio controls piloted from there. Push button start, 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls, Apple CarPlay there as well. We do have all of the new buttons, drivetrain buttons there, heated leather seats, 4x4 dial there, jet black leather interior, beautiful heated leather seats in the GMC. Moving on to the exterior of the Terrain SLT, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package, hand-cooked all-season tires on there. We do have keyless entry, remote start, roof rails up top, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear parking sensors, LED lights in the rear, LED lights in the front, as well as the reverse backup camera. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. If this is your next vehicle, please come down and see us at 707 Railway Avenue in Canmore, Alberta.